Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Startline. This transport comes in a short wheelbase which allows it to manoeuvre easily. It also comes in a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out to 110 PS. This transporter comes in a beautiful candy white colour with a solid finish. Starting off with the front exterior features of this transporter, as it is a Startline model, the features are very limited, but it comes with separate daytime running lights as well as a unpainted radiator grille with true chrome trims. The wheels that this transporter sits on are 16-inch 20-hole style steel wheels with a steel spare wheel and the original tyre equipment. The rear exterior feature is the rear loading barn doors at the back that allow access to the loading area. Opening up the barn doors, you can see that there is a very spacious loading area in front that is fully lined in the same colour as the body colour. You also have a fully black steel bulkhead with no window. Additional access to the loading area can be made via the single sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle. This just adds a bit of convenience when you are loading your equipment and belongings. At the front of the vehicle, you have 3 passenger seats that are divided into a 1:2 ratio. These seats are covered in double grid woven fabric upholstery in titanium black. The driver's seat also has additional dual armrests for extra comfortability, and you have a 6.5-inch infotainment system that is touchscreen. Looking at the infotainment system in more detail, it allows you to listen to your favourite radio stations as well as connect your devices to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and USB-C. You can also connect via Bluetooth as well, and you can use the navigation system via the programs. In front of the driver, there is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favourite songs, control the volume, answer calls and use the inbuilt cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Startline. Thank you for watching and goodbye.